adventure. I'm going to meet up with a group of women that I don't know to go camp with because Andy doesn't really like it so much if I go camping by myself. He worries for my safety. Anyways, I'm taking the minivan today because I'm alone, and I hope it will be fun. It's possible it might rain, but hopefully not. I've arrived at Guajome Regional Park. I think those people over there might be some of the people that I will be camping with. I guess I'll go introduce myself. Okay, I've arrived at the campground. It's pretty. I met some of the other ladies who are camped here. They sound like a lot of fun. I need to set up a little bit, and around 4:30 or 5 there's going to be happy hour. I can bring some tea maybe. This is my neighbor's setup. She has a cute little trailer and a little cabana. And the two ladies over there are part of the group as well. Just waiting for Casey to walk up to join the other women. Good morning at Guajome Regional Park. Here is where I slept last night. Since they have power here, I was able to hook up a heater. I didn't sleep with it on, but I ran it at night when I was awake and in the morning when I woke up. Nature is amazing. I saw these lovely cell tower trees near the entrance. I'm kind of set up for day mode in here. I took the window covers off to make it brighter and stacked the bed cushions so I have a place to sit. I guess it's not that tidy. It's raining off and on outside, so I come inside on occasion. And I took the front barrier partway down just to keep a little privacy. I'm going to make myself some food with no refrigerator. I brought the Annie Chun's dry miso soup bowl and some chicken salad to go in it, I hope. Give that a try. And my water's boiling. Well, it barely stopped raining long enough for me to boil my water. This is good. I'm putting that inside the Annie Chun's soup and noodle bowl. Since we keep having showers off and on, I'm going to be inside to eat my food. And I had tried this heater. It works really, really well and plugged in. It's 1500 watt. But I'm going to try this little 200 watt Lasco heater that I have. See if this will work. So I just turned on this little heater and it's only 200 watts. So I don't know if that's going to be enough to really make a difference and keep it warmer in here, but we'll see. Making tea in the dark inside my van. I'm going to be leaving today. It's been really fun. Such a great group of women. And it's a pretty place even though you can probably hear the traffic. Well, maybe you can't hear it, but there's traffic around. It's not a remote place, but there's a lake here down there. Anyways, it was a great time, and I hope to get to camp with them again. Since it's supposed to rain tomorrow, they rented the pavilion to celebrate New Year's Eve, but I won't be here for that. It is an RV campground with lots of hookups. I have electric. Well, I'm using electric. I have water and sewer as well. But still, it's really fun to be here. It looks messier than I would like. I folded the mattress back up so I could sit on it, and I had made my morning tea with that little electric tea kettle. I'm actually plugged into shore power here. I used this little bin as a table, like that. But I'm going to start sort of packing now because I'm leaving today, and then I'll probably sit outside with something to eat. I just have the back propped open so I can load things. You can see that I'm hooked up to electric. I'm going to unplug that now. This is what I use for a table at night. And of course I put things in the side pockets and hang my keys off a hook and stuff, but I can just set stuff there pretty easily. But when I have a glass filled with something, I prefer to put it in the cup holder back there so it doesn't spill, next to another light and the fire extinguisher. Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Oh, good.
Good. It hasn't been too cold that night, so it's been
No. And because there's electricity, I brought a little space heater.
nice.
So in
yeah,
the
I
mornings-
saw you plugged something in. I thought,
Yeah.
oh, that's a heater. Yeah.
Yeah, because I wake up around 5-ish, so it's cold and dark for a couple hours.
Right. Well, good. I need to take her for her morning walk.
Yeah.